feels a little weird to be starting my video this way, but welcome to my birthday vlog. It's my birthday today. It's the 2nd of July, just in case you wanted to know what the date is. So this vlog is going to be quite different than all of the other vlogs that I've created until now, because this will mostly be about the activities that I'll be undertaking throughout the day, right from the start of the day up till the end of the night. First time here in a place that I love on my birthday, and I want to make the most of it today. So hope it all turns out well. And just for the record, we cut a caramel pudding on the night of my birthday because the cake hadn't arrived yet. After about an hour-long ride to Panjim, we waited for the operators, they joined us, and then their pickup truck ended up getting stuck in the muck. Now, since the pickup vehicle wouldn't move, we had to manually remove the cano and the pedals of the pickup vehicle and carry them to the spot from where the kayaking began. Around this time in monsoon, most of the kayaking operators had shut down, so we luckily found Goa Kayaking through Google and we went kayaking with them. So we were called at Panjim, and the kayaking was to happen at Mandovi backwaters. It was quite an overcast day, but luckily there was not a drop of rain that fell on us while we were kayaking. And just as you might want to know, the kayaking cost us 2,500 rupees per head. Now this price might fluctuate, it might go up or down during peak season, I'm not very sure. You might just want to contact them for that. The weather is clear and looks like it's on our side. Thank God it's not raining and I'm enjoying it. So we got done with the kayaking, but then our plan to trek, we decided against it because we realized how tired we were and how far that place was, like about an hour or so from where we were. So we thought of like retaining all that energy for what lays ahead in the day, and now we've come for our lunch to Black Sheep. So I will very soon. Standard number of bows, 5 of them, medium sized. So we are finally in Bagator, and now we are going out to have my birthday dinner at this place in Asagao. We've taken a reservation, our cab is waiting, so I need to be going, I need to stop recording. And yeah, also like no people, it's just me and my boyfriend, just the two of us, no socializing, nothing. We'll just go have a quiet dinner. And should we call it a day then? I don't know, maybe not. So for my dinner, we are at this place called Mai in Asagao. This place had been on my mind since the time that I saw it while passing by it, and here we are finally. What caught my eye the most was that it was built, set up in a heritage Portuguese house. it barely has a lot of people right now, which is a good thing because I wouldn't want it to be so crowded on the night of my birthday. Just at the right moment. We're back from our dinner, and now the best way to wind up the day would be with a party, I guess. So we're going to a party that's going to last until the morning to Ashwin, which is happening somewhere 15 kilometers away from where we are at right now. And I think it's close to 1 a.m. now, and this party is going to last all until the morning. So yeah, I think this is one way to call it a night, but technically it's not my birthday anymore, so can't call this a part of the celebration. But yes, if you could consider a post party sort of a thing, post birthday party sort of a thing, then yeah, this is it. So that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoy it. Like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. And I'll see you soon. Bye.